Well, look what's back, you guys. And it has been a hot minute since I've opened up this box. I already subscribed to the Balanced Lifestyle box, but this is the snacking box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we're going to be going through the Balance Company's snack box. I have the lifestyle box presented by the Balance Company. They actually have several different subscriptions available on their website, but the goal with each of their boxes is to give you a more balanced approach to whatever that theme is. So in this case, the idea is to have a more balanced view with snacking. So you're going to receive a variety of snacks inside of this box every month, and then they're all going to be centered around your dietary needs. So that's what's awesome is if you want a snacking box that is all vegan, they can curate that for you. If you want a box that's all gluten-free, they can do that. They also have a keto box, which sounds very interesting, where it will be all keto-friendly snacks. This box that I'm going to show you today is their original box, so it could be a little from all of these different categories. It's nothing specific, but there's still going to be healthier options or a more balanced view towards snacking, but they're going to be still tasty and a variety of different snacks. It's not like you're getting all chips in here. It's going to be a variety of products. But one thing I will say is that Evie, the owner, she does not ever do anything without it being amazing. You know what I mean? Like, she's not going to put together a box that she doesn't stand by. So even though I've not opened this up now for a couple of years, it's been a hot minute since I've opened this, I just know it's still going to be awesome because she really does put a lot of work into her boxes. And she creates some really great subscriptions. So if you're interested in this box, I will be posting 2 links down below that you can sign up through. One will be for anyone that lives in Canada, and another one is for USA residents. So just click on whichever link is your country. And then because this team is awesome, they have a 20% discount available to all of my viewers. So I'll be posting that code down below, and you can save 20% off of this box. You can get this with free shipping here in the US for only $29. I think that's a pretty good deal. Just keep in mind that this is a monthly subscription versus their lifestyle box is quarterly. So this is what it looks like for our original box. First up, we have got an entire bag of chips here. So I will tell you, that is one thing that is awesome about this snack box is she will send you full-size bags of chips or full size of anything, but it's not just all your individual serving sizes. So I love that you can get the really large bags. This is potato chips, but they have black sea salt on them and they are cooked in avocado oil. So the idea is this is a little bit more balanced, a little bit better than your traditional chips that are out there. There's no cholesterol in these. And it mentions that you can have 25 chips for 250 calories. These are crunchy chips that are lightly seasoned. There's all potato and no couch. That's funny. So I love that. And they are all made in Canada. Naked Nuggets. What are Naked Nuggets? This is from Happy Munch. Good size bag again, you guys. These are sweet and savory pecan and coconut clusters. This reminds me of something I would get at Costco. I feel like Costco always has the best clusters there. Have you ever noticed that? This sounds like something that would be there. So these ones are vegan, they are gluten-free, and they are from Canada as well. But like I said, it's going to be a mixture of these almonds. They've got pecans, excuse me. It's a mixture of pecans, coconut. Then they use maple syrup, so there's some natural sugar in there. Coconut butter, sea salt, coconut flour, and then some natural flavoring. So they sound really yummy. So I'm excited to try this out. And again, you get a full-size bag. It's not individual servings. And most snack boxes, I've unboxed quite a few, most of them are gonna send you the small serving sizes. And I like that you get snacking for the whole family with this box. There's also protein pretzels. Oh, there's cinnamon bun. So it's pretzels, but they're flavored as cinnamon bun. I hope there's a lot of cinnamon on them. It looks like it. They look like they're not heavenly, but they look like they're heavily seasoned. So these are from Lenny and Larry's, and it says it's not your average crunchy snack. These are Fitzels. Pretzels are a super snack that have 20 grams of protein designed for muscles and complex carbs for energy, but they're still going to be a great snack. So there is cinnamon sugar seasoning on them, and then you're going to get protein pretzels or Pretzels. There's also a full bag of nuts and pretzel sticks. So this is like a party bag where you get like a little mixture. The flavoring on here is hearty tamari. Is that how you pronounce that? So this one says that it's 80% fuel, 20% fun, but 100% nutritious. You're not compromising on taste, but you are going to have a healthier snack. So these will feature pretzel sticks and a nut mix. The nuts are almonds, cashews, and then it says the pretzel sticks are in here as well. And you're going to get this spice blend. There's garlic powder, onion powder, all of that flavoring is added. But again, vegan for this bag. So the next one that I have is a very large bag of ginger chews. These are Meyer lemon. So this is, I mean, you guys, the bags are huge. This is, if you can't tell on camera, if you're having a hard time deciphering how large they are, if you go into your gas station and you're going to get a snack, this size of bag would be hanging over with your like bags of chips over there. So I'm thinking of like Gardettos because I love Gardettos. But this is where it would be hanging, is in that full bag. It's not going to be those smaller chip bags that you get in a box that go in like kids' lunches. This is like the full big bag. So that's what I'm saying, is there's a lot of product in here. So these ones being ginger chews, they are going to feature obviously ginger inside of it, but there is a little bit of tapioca starch, lemon flavoring, lemon zest, and a little bit of cane sugar. My husband loves these. I feel like they're a little too spicy, but I'm telling you guys, he will eat these so fast. He just loves it. He loves the flavoring on them, but also that little bit of bitiness. He's crazy though. He loves them. Okay, moving on. The next snack that we have in here is called the Rice Stuff Box. This is flavored as Thai red curry. This was actually in her discovery box, where you can discover new products. So I've already tried this and it's very good, very easy to make too. So you've got your rice inside of this, you just add water to it, put it in the microwave and cook it, and you've got a great little lunch. I know it says it's a snack, but I ate it as a lunch. So this is what it will look like. You will actually fold this in and these will connect and make a little cup that will stand up then, and you'll just eat right out of this. But it's organic jasmine rice, and then they've just added the seasoning and flavoring to it. Next up, we have beans in here. These are called Go Beans. They are salt and pepper flavored or seasoned beans. There's 130 calories in this snack bag, and it is also vegan. Oh my goodness, broad beans. Then they have sunflower oil, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and white pepper powder added as well. So this is what it looks like. I love the little faces on the beans. Now this particular one is going to be your traditional single serving. So this is like one little snack bag, but you do have protein in here. There's your low calorie once again. So it's just, you know, a better, healthier alternative. And especially if you are trying to watch, or even if you just want to make better choices, it's not even about losing weight. If you want to make better choices, this will definitely support that goal. So our next item is also from Lenny and Larry's. This is their cookie fled bar, and it is a chocolate almond sea salt bar. That looks so good. 12 grams of protein, gluten-free. Wow. You know, sometimes I get so tongue-tied when I'm speaking, and yeah. So this one is a protein blend of pea powder. There's also brown rice protein. Then there's almonds. The chocolate chips are in here, tapioca, and it is gluten-free sugar cookie pieces. And then it says there's a little bit of sea salt added as well. So it's very simple ingredients. You know what I mean? Not super complicated. I just can't pronounce anything. We also have a crunchy bar. Oh, I've had this. This is super tasty. I can recommend this bar. So a single serving bar, but it is sea salt and caramel with See, I did it again. With pretzels inside of it. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I can't talk, but seriously, this is a great bar. Super tasty, but it's plant-based. It's 150 calories for the whole bar, and then there's 7 grams of sugar. So it is low sugar, but it was really yummy. Last item that we have here is another cookie bar from Lenny and Larry's, but it's peanut butter chocolate chip. So we have slightly different flavoring here, but still getting all of that protein, and it's still gonna be gluten-free as well. We received 10 items inside of this snack box. And like I said, you get to try it out for $29, free shipping, but you gotta use my code, my link down below. But what I like about this is it's not $29 for small little sizes. If the box was all little like this, I'd be like, yeah, that's not the greatest deal. But it's not. You're getting a full bag of chips included in your snack box. You're getting all of these larger bags of goodies. So you get so much more product in here. Just trying to show you guys like comparison of what this looks like. So there's a lot to work with. And especially at that $29 price point, this is a lot cheaper than if I go to Costco to get snacks. Because that place, I tell you what, they have great snacks, but I am always walking out broke. But if you want to try the Balance Company's snack box, I will be including those links down below. And like I mentioned, the discount code. And then you can get all of these great snacks. You can also choose if you want to have, all gluten-free or all vegan or all keto, or you can do the classic version. They also have a mini box where it's a slightly lower price point. But I believe that box has all the single serving snacks inside of it. So they're all going to be little. Just make sure if you don't want that, you don't click on the mini box. But then they additionally have a big family box where if you would like to have double the snacks, they will do that for you in their much larger box. The discount code that I have works on that also. It works on all of their snack boxes. So you will pay more than the $29 that I'm bringing up today, but you will get double the snacks, but you can also get 20% off of it. So it might work out to be a little bit better deal, but you guys look at it. I've got the link down below. It will give you all of those options and then you can see what works for you. So that is everything for today's unboxing video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you guys think of this box? I love it. Once again, I told you, Evie is never going to give you a crappy box. She will always stand by her boxes. So I thought it was really good today. If you're interested, I've got everything down below. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.